And one-word answers or figures, real quick. What should the minimum wage be, dollar amount?
At least 10.
10.
What the market will demand.
Full day kindergarten, yes or no, Kim?
If we can afford it.
Yes, contingent on highly qualified teachers. Otherwise, no.
One word, yes.
Right to work shift, yes or no?
Right to work? No.
No.
You can't answer that with one word.
Pass, then. You want to pass?
No.
All right, state income tax, yes or no, Jim?
No.
Yes.
I would like to say yes, but I don't think that we're going to see it in the foreseeable future.
State sales tax, Jim?
No.
No, I'm sorry.
I have a plan, 2 + 2.
Okay, wait, one word, and you gotta say one word answer. Yes or no? Maybe, maybe.
What, sales?
Yes or no?
Maybe.
Okay. And let's just do marijuana legalization again. Jim, you said no, correct?